Something that you just suddenly realise that if I want something, I'm going to work for it. And that's what happened with me. With the athletics, I realised if I wanted it, I'm going to work for it. And I'm going to give it everything.